name is George Humphrey. I am 60 years old, and I'm from McKinney, Texas. I'm in outside sales. I travel by car. I do a lot of driving. I was working, I was calling on some accounts. I was on my way back to another account in Fort Worth. The freeway had gone down into one lane. I slowed down my car, and next thing I knew, I was out cold.
He had got rear-ended, and it was at like 70 miles an hour.
I knew something was wrong at that time. It sent excruciating pain through my back.
I'm thinking that he's going to be paralyzed.
I didn't know if I'd ever drive again, if I'd be able to.
They did an x-ray, they found out his back was broken.
It hadn't touched the nerve canal, which meant that I could walk, if fixed correctly.
The plan was to try to find the least disruptive way to stabilize the spine. So a minimally invasive approach was what we discussed. So what we did was we found a way to stabilize this area where the fracture was by placing a screw above, at the level of a fracture and below the fracture, one on each side. And when we were done, we were then able to put in a rod on each side to help stabilize that, and then lay down some bone graft material to help bone heal across to stabilize it for fusion.
It's totally remarkable. I've been working for 2.5 months now. I can do anything that I did before as far as around the house. I do yard work, swimming. We play water polo quite a bit and stuff in the back, so water volleyball.
They fixed him, put him back together, and now he's himself again.
The best part of the job is the reward and the benefit from seeing someone who's had an improvement from something I was able to help with.
I would highly recommend Dr. Jahiv for anybody with any kind of back problems because he's very, very knowledgeable. I mean, that's quite evident. I'm proof of that.
Texas Health Fort Worth was probably the best decision made throughout the entire thing. This was a trauma center. They were very reassuring, very caring, very helpful. I have told a lot of people since I left there that was the best hospital I have ever been to.
Life is great. It's good to spend it with my family, and I got a lot of support, and it's back to normal. It's like this never happened.